just received off Amazon at £86. Is there any need to get the K7 or the K5? We'll find out. I'm going to do an unboxing, and then my car's filthy, so we'll do a before and after on the car. So it's app supported, hard, medium, soft and mix. I've actually got some Karcher universal cleaner, which is tough on oil grease and mineral oiling. So yeah, it breaks down grease. So it's a standard kit. You don't get all the contraptions with it. It's 86 quid, and at the end of the day, I think that it'll be enough. 5-meter hose, detergent suction, quick connect, easy hose connection, telescopic handle, height adjustment, water filter pre-installed, which you'll probably have to clean them out, quick connect, easy clip storage, and the lance. So in the box you get the machine, quite a long lead on that as well, the handle, which we can change the height on. Pretty easy. The wheels, you can pull it about with you, which will clip in here. Cleaning solution with filter on the end. Let's get that other wheel on. So we're going around in circles. I'm not going to miss it with that colour either, are you? Trip over it, I'm sure I will trip over it. This just screws on the back, it's actually got a filter in there. Let's pull that out. Give that a clean now and again. I'll replace it. I've actually got a quick adapter on that, on my hose pipe as well. This is, I'm trying to do it without opening the instructions. Goes on there, like that. Yeah, push that back in. It's tiny. I wonder if it's mighty. That goes back in there. This is the 5-meter. Quite well made, that actually. Don't forget the price point of this. For the make as well is quite reasonable, where you can actually pick up a not so well-known make for £20 cheaper. But is there any need to get the bigger Karchers? Is it gonna clean? That's what we want. We want it to clean. Right, so that pushes in. Then I'm gonna end up clips down. That's solid. Now the lance actually comes with, that pulls out. Is it? Yeah, pulls out just like that. I don't think it's supposed to pull fully off, or is it? I don't know. I don't know, because I am mad and I don't read instructions. So that'll go in like that. Did it twist? It doesn't twist, so don't twist it. And then that clamps in. That feels a bit cheapish, but it does its job. You've got the hard lance. Which is for them stubborn stains. And you've got the power lance, I think this is. So you've got your mix, which will be for your shampoo, your cleaner, soft on wood, medium for cars, and hard for brick or flags and stuff like that. Stubborn stains. So that goes in and push, twist. twist. Stab, stab, twist like a lance. Yeah, so proof is in the pudding, but it's got the name on it. It's got, oh. Yeah, I just realised something. It's actually got, let me just cut them. Yeah. So we can keep it all together. It's not going to get wound up like that by me. Probably. Boom. Boom. Maybe something like that, and then wrap that round the back. Right, let's get to the car. It needs a really good cleaning. So, let's do it before. You see, I've given it a whack there. So, I've created a clean patch, and I've had to go and buy the catch. Okay, grease. Did a lot of travelling. 3 days travelling, so we'll be sanding it as well. These alloys are a mess. Anyway, we'll probably take all this loose paint off. But get your face in that. Oh, grimy. So we'll do a time lapse and I'll put some music over the top. So we'll see what it looks like after a good blasting. So, moment of truth, let's have a look around. It's really grounding that, you haven't took that off. Have a look at the bodywork here. Nah. Look at that. So, I took most of it off, and I don't think it's anything to do with the actual machine, because it does seem like it's got a lot of pressure. It's to do with the shampoo. That shampoo is, when you put it on, it doesn't settle, it just drains off. The foam, I'd go with the foam. The foam sticks and you can leave it for 10 minutes and it'll work its business into the grease. It does say oil and grease on that, but yeah, that shampoo is awful. So I will do one with a foam and just see the difference in a future video. The first time using it, the holes could be longer, 5 meters. I thought that'd be enough, but if I've got it at the back of the car, I'm straining to do the front proper. You can get longer hoses, obviously. The K7 might have a 10 meter hose, I don't know. The power's great. I did actually use the one up. I used the most powerful nozzle, not the medium that it says used for car, and it has chips a bit of paint. Show you. Took that off there and that off there, so it shows you how powerful it is. I mean, even with rubbing that, you have to really go for it because they are in a bad state. But see there. Let's get a clean hand on it. I'd need to scrub it to get it clean, and I don't want to do that, and that's what the mousse will do. It'll sit on it and clean it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe, and I will get some form. Okay.